Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to use the custom tool for Horry County Schools MagicSchool Enterprise users TDW writing feedback to help your students prepare for the TDW portion of their SC Ready test. Once you've added the tool to your MagicSchool account, you can go to the search bar and search TDW and click on the TDW writing feedback tool. You would then choose your grade level. So I'm going to be using a 5th grade example. And you don't have to enter anything to describe the assignment that's already done. The extended response portion of SC Ready will be a text-dependent writing or TDW item. This type of item requires that students read a passage or passages and respond to a prompt or task while drawing upon the text for their written responses. The mode of writing assessed by the TDW is a grade band and mode specific. Students in grades 3 and 4 will receive and respond to a narrative TDW item. Students in grade 5 and 6 will receive and respond to an argumentative TDW item. The TDW item is scored with a holistic rubric that has a point range of 1 being the lowest to 4 being the highest. The maximum number of possible points is 4. Grade band and mode specific rubrics can be found below. So then I've added the writer's checklist and the TDW rubrics for 3rd and 4th grade and 5th and 6th grade. So from here, you can just paste your students' writing and click generate. It will then give areas of strength, areas for growth, general feedback, and it will also include where MagicSchool feels it would fall on the rubric with an explanation for that. If you agree with all of these things, you can click copy. That will copy the feedback to your clipboard, and then you can paste that in the student's Google Doc or in a Google Classroom comment, wherever you want to paste that feedback for your students. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Dis content.